Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're scratching your head over the L2 error code on your Whirlpool dryer, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into what this code means, why it's popping up, and how to fix it step by step. This is especially relevant for 2025 models, which might have some updated diagnostics, but the basics remain the same. First off, let's break down the L2 error code. It typically indicates a problem with the dryer's temperature sensor or thermal fuse. Essentially, your dryer is saying, hey, something's too hot or not reading temperatures right. This is a safety feature to prevent fires or damage, so it's good that it's alerting you. Now, what causes this error? The most common culprits include a clogged vent or exhaust duct, which traps heat inside, a faulty thermistor that isn't sensing temperatures accurately, or even an overheating motor due to lint buildup or mechanical issues. In 2025 models, software glitches from firmware updates could also play a role, so keep that in mind. Alright, let's get to the fixes. Start by unplugging your dryer for safety and let it cool down for about 30 minutes. Then, check the vent and exhaust for any blockages. Clean them out with a vacuum or brush. Next, inspect the thermistor. It's usually located near the blower housing. If it looks damaged, you might need to replace it. Grab a compatible one from Whirlpool's website or a parts store. If that doesn't work, reset the dryer by pressing the power button for 10 seconds or running a quick cycle after replugging. For more advanced troubleshooting, use the dryer's diagnostic mode if available on your 2025 model. Just hold certain buttons as per the manual. Always wear gloves and avoid electrical components if you're not comfortable. In most cases, these steps should clear the L2 error. If the problem persists, it's time to call a professional technician to avoid any risks. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the lint filter after every use can prevent this error altogether. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Stay safe and happy fixing.